Good boy, Buzz. Good boy. Let's run. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. He's always having a blast. Go in front. Go in front. Oh, he's got to stop and make his pee-pees. Gets all the bugs out there. Oh my goodness. These beautiful purple flowers. So pretty. Look at all of them. We call this fireweed. And they're everywhere right now. So beautiful. Come on, Buzz, where are you? I love my machine. Look at all these beautiful weeds. I don't know what they're called, but they're spread everywhere. They're like purple flowers, but they're just long grass. This is the airport here, the runway. Let's turn over here. There's a nice little path here beside the water. It's beautiful. This is where I live. I get paid to live here. It's freaking amazing. Look at that. Lush green bog. Wonderful. That's Shefferville over there. And our dirt is orange. Can't really see it right now, but it's bright orange. Come on, Buzz. There he is. There's the dog. There's the Buzz boy. He loves to come on runs. Look at this. Like prime fishing area right here. Beautiful. And there's an island right there. You can't really get to it from walking, but look at all the shale we have here. It's crazy. It's like someone just came and Hulk smashed everything. Don't worry, Buzz. We're going. We're going there. Yeah. We're gonna go there. Hey, boys? Oh, are you a happy boy? You're a happy boy. Ready? Ready, buddy? Let's go. Look at that island. Oh my God, I just want to camp there. But you see all that brush there? See, that's all like tall weeds and bog. So you can't really get to it. You have to like portage with a canoe. Or, I mean, you could walk through it, but you're probably going to get stuck. That's a little... You could probably make your way through that, but, you know, without a canoe, I probably wouldn't try it. It's all water and more water. We just have lakes everywhere. Lakes and rivers and You can go through a bush like this, no problem. My ATV has an undercarriage, so or a protector underneath, so it doesn't hit anything bad, you know. It doesn't get stuck. I could go over this right now if I wanted to, but I don't. Just the little ones. Just to get where I want to go, you know? See that there? You wouldn't want to walk through that. It's all mud and water. There's Buzz. Hey, Buzz. Hey, Buzz. Yeah. What a good boy. He has fun trying to find rabbits. He loves trying to find rabbits and birds. We got lots of ptarmigan here, so he goes in the woods and hunts for ptarmigan and squirrels and rabbits. We had 2 white dogs here that yesterday caught a squirrel and killed it. What are you doing, hey? What you doing? Oh, there's a bunny. Did you see another bunny? Oh, it's a little tiny quail. You see that? Where is it? There it is. Oh, a little tiny baby one. Let's go get it. No, this one over here. Go get this one. He's on ready. He's on standby. He wants to get those little babies, but they're protected by this fence. Oh, the bugs. See that? You stop for 1 second. Oh, getting out of here. You can't stop in Labrador. You cannot stop. You will get eaten. I have a bite on my forehead from like a week ago. It's still there. Oh, they're there. There's the little birds. You just drive through here with a shotgun, you're good. You'll leave out of here with 100 little ptarmigans. Oh yeah. They're about the size of a golf ball when you're done with them, but you know, they are tasty. More purple, beautiful purple everywhere. This is where we come for our drive every day after work. Every day. He loves it. He's not my dog, but he's like my dog. My adopted dog. My neighbor's dog. Look at all these white daisies. These beautiful white daisies everywhere. And they are literally everywhere. We got purple ones, white ones, yellow ones, orange ones, red ones. They all come out different colors. If I could find those ones, but the other colored ones are probably dead by now. They come like more beginning of spring. And then they die off. There's the airport. He's gone back in the bush. More fireweed. Beautiful plant. And they're edible. They are edible. You can eat them. Look at these beautiful things. Look. You can eat them. I'll show you. Nom nom nom. They're pretty tasty. Tastes like a flower, but fruitier. Pretty good. Alright, let's go. Buzz is in the bush, but he always follows. He follows through the bush. Hey, Buzz? You follow through the bush? This is a sharp turn. I almost went over this yesterday. I almost went straight through it. I don't know why, but it's like my wheel wouldn't turn. And then scared the shit out of me. More beautiful, beautiful. Oh, these are just so pretty. Look at that. And just garbage everywhere, you know. Look at these ones. Oh, wow. Look at these daisies. They're so pretty. They're everywhere. If you love flowers, come here. Hey, Buzz. This is garbage. We're littered with garbage out here, man. Need spare tires? They're out here, too. It's crazy. Yeah, it's been here since way before I was here. Holy crap, I don't know if you can see that, but there's clouds of bugs there. You see that? I don't know if you can make it out, but they will surround you like I don't know if you can make it out. They're hovering right now, and they love the warmth of my ATV when I stop, so let's not stop for too long. There's nothing over here, but it looks like there is. This area here, so let me stop my ATV and tell you a story. So me and my friend Nico, we're coming around here. We're doing that whole walk like we did just now, that path I was telling you about. And we came back. We were on our way back out. And we could hear some yelping from a dog when we came here. And then when we left as well, we heard it again. And it sounded like a cry for help. And we hear lots of dogs around here. So when we hear a dog, we don't always, go see what's going on. We have thousands of them out loose. But this one dog, okay, we knew it was a cry for help. We just somehow knew. So we go through all that thick brush right there. And there's no path. Like, there is no path. That is thick, thick, thick brush and bush and tree. And I went through there with him. He couldn't make it all the way. He's a big guy, Nico. And we end up seeing him through the brush, just barely seeing this dog. And he can't move or anything, and he's yelping for help. And we go through. I crawl through like an army, like there's some army guy telling me to crawl on my stomach. Elbows and knees, and I'm getting through that brush on my elbows and knees, trying to get underneath all that brush and bush, and I can't see anything. But then eventually I see the dog more, and I realize he's tied up. This dog is tied all the way back there. There's about 5 minutes walk of brush that I had to go through on my belly to get to this dog, realizing he's tied up. So he got off his leash, tangled himself in this long, long leash all through the brush, and he would not have gotten out there. So his owner, when we got him loose, he saved the day. This dog would have died there by the water. He would have died. It would have rained. The water would have gotten high, and we saved his life. He ended up getting loose, going home. We found out who owned him. It was somebody who worked at the airport. I messaged the person I know, Jimbo, who works at the airport, and told him there was a dog there. I don't know if anybody knows it. It's about orangish brown, very orange, and he had a long lead. So if anybody lost a dog near here, I let him know. He texted me later. Yes, it was actually my coworker who lost her dog days before, and she was so happy to find out that her dog was safe. He ran or she ran right home, and she was safe, but that dog would have died. So, just a lesson, make sure that leash that you're keeping your dog on, that long lead, make sure it's on there, because those dogs can get loose. They are strong. That dog would have died if I didn't crawl through there. Man, I felt like a hero. I was almost crying. You should have seen that dog. I felt like a hero. And we were. We were heroes, me and Nico. You know? He couldn't crawl through that brush because he's a big boy. But, you know, I'm a big girl too, man. I got in there, my little ass, my big ass, and I found that dog. Saved the day. There's Buzz. Come on, buddy. Let's go home. Let's go home, buddy. We take this road here every day. Come on, buddy. That's a good boy. Look at that tongue. Oh, found some flowers that I was telling you about. So when we were over there, when there's the landing strip there, we were over there when I started this video. So it's a nice little ride. So these are the flowers I was telling you about. They're kind of like daisies. There's some right there. And that orange one, or yellow one. There's bright orange. So pretty. Oh, Buzz is in the water. Buzz is in the water. Hey, Buzz. You in the water? You in the water? What you doing over there? Hey? What you doing, big boy? Hi, Buzz. Hi, Buzz. What you doing? Hi, buddy. It's beautiful. Look at that water. He loves swimming. Doesn't go far, but likes to get his belly wet. Hey, buddy, what you doing? What you doing over there? Hi. He just likes to sit there while I watch him. Look at that's garbage. People leaving garbage in the... It's like a bike or something, or a scooter. I think it's a scooter. People just leave garbage everywhere, man. This place is littered with garbage. It's terrible. Like garbage. If I were to take a garbage bag out here every day, I'd fill it up in two seconds. You know, as long as it takes me to fill it up real fast, fill it up in 2 seconds, and I'd still need 100 garbage bags more just for this road. You know, this is constantly littered with beer cans, to-go containers, solo cups. Like, it doesn't matter what it is, there's garbage out here, man. And I am one person, you know, so I take as much garbage as I can. I fill up this bag, and then we go, you know. I do what I can on my way there to our run, and then on my way back, you know, I'm just enjoying the ride. I can't do everything for everybody here. You know, I've already picked up around here. Look at it. I'm still finding more garbage. But it's beautiful still. It's just ruined by all the nasty garbage. Just nastiness. Hey, Buzz. Alright, I'm going to show you where we call it the guest house. It's beautiful. I'll show you that. There's a new house being built. It's nice and big. I don't know if it's a house or a workstation, but it's going to be nice because it's got 2 big garage doors. That's freaking beautiful, eh? There's some nice houses over there. Alright, this is where the guest house is in Schefferville, Quebec. Hotel Auberge Guest House. Alright. And this is beautiful out here. It's just gorgeous. All the woods is dark and gloomy. There's a path there, but you kind of get stuck. One lonely light pole. There's a beautiful dock over here. You can sit on the water. It's very nice. The train's going over there. Train's going. Let's see. It's not slippery. Even though I'm wearing slippery running shoes. Hey, boys. What you doing, guys? You happy? Oh, yeah. That's a happy boy. That's a happy boy. Yeah. Look at that happy boy. Hey, happy boy. Hey, happy boy. Yeah. Want to go swimming? Look how clear the water is. So pretty. So pretty. Get the train going. You don't get me wet. Oh, no. It won't get me wet. You're going to jump off? Hey, what's in there? What's in there? Is there fishies in there? You see any fishies? No fishies? Taking gas tanks. That's how we get our freight. That's how we get our freight. And there's Shefferville. My house is over there. Let's go, Buzz. Let's go, Buzz. And this is the guest house. It's a beautiful red cabin. It's beautiful. There's my baby. My dirty ATV. Always keep it in high gear. Hi, Buzz. Ready to go? Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. It's a beautiful place to stay if you want to stay in Shefferville. We'll go through there? Alright, let's go. Look at this beautiful place. Beautiful. This is like the only place in Sheffield that has other trees other than pine. Yeah. But it's mostly pine. Pine and birch. Now whatever these things are, cedars or something like that. I don't know. Now we're back on the road. Let's turn here. Let's go here, bud. Some nice houses. Hello. Yeah, beautiful houses.